Hello, cake lovers. Welcome back to Cakes Factory. Today, we are flying into the world of butterfly shaped cakes, where sweetness meets stunning ideas or designs. Get ready for 15 gorgeous cakes that are as graceful as real butterflies. The first one is classic butterfly cake. This classic design is created by cutting and rearranging a round cake. Simple, elegant, and always a favorite. The next is rainbow butterfly wings. Make your cake pop with color. These rainbow wings add joy to any party, especially for kids. The next is glitter glam butterfly cakes. Add sparkle and shine with edible glitter, perfect for glam birthday parties and princess themes. The next is floral butterfly cake. Combine butterflies and flowers for a dreamy garden theme celebration. The next is 3D butterfly shape. Level up your cake with a full 3D butterfly shape structure, realistic, detailed, and perfect for special events. The next is pink and purple girly theme. Ideal for little girls' birthdays, soft colors, butterflies, and edible pearls make it perfect picture. The next is layered butterfly cake. More fun. Stack your cake and place butterflies fluttering around each other, each tiers. The next is edible butterfly toppers. Wafer butterflies look like they are about to fly away. So delicate yet so easy to use. The next is hand painted wings. Unlike your inner artist, hand painted design give beautiful unique touch to your each cake. The next is baby shower butterfly cake. Celebrate new beginnings with butterflies, a favorite for baby showers and gender reveals. The next is tropical butterfly cakes. Add exotic vibes with vibrant colors and tropical florals for a summer celebration. The next is elegant black and gold butterfly. Bold, elegant, and modern, this combo is perfect for adult birthdays or fashion themed parties. The next is fruit top butterfly cakes, a fresh and fruity version of the butterfly cake, tasty and healthy. The next is ombre butterfly cake. Ombre gives your cake that soft, professional finish, super trendy and beautiful in photos. The last one is fairy garden butterfly cake. Turn your cake into a magical fairyland with butterflies and enhancing details. From colorful to classic, there is a beautiful butterfly cake for every event. Which one was your favorite? Tell us in the comment below. Subscribe for more magical cake ideas and creative decoration ideas. This is Cake Factory where cake take flights. Subscribe to Cakes Factory for and hit the bell icon for more amazing ideas like this. And don't forget to like this video and share your favorite idea to your loved ones or who love baking. Or do you baker to bake a cake like this on your coming event? Take care of yourself. See you in the next sweet video. Goodbye.